section 7 assignment, and this is on the alternate assignment. So at the beginning of this worksheet, there's some directions on how to check and see if an equation is in slope-intercept form, and if it is, you can just identify what the slope and y-intercept is, or if you're given the slope and y-intercept, you can just plug those in. However, sometimes they'll give you the slope, but instead of giving you the y-intercept, they give you a point on the line instead. So right here we'll see that we have the slope is given as being 2 right here. So we know that that is m, so that's why would they put 2 right here. But they don't give us the y-intercept. Instead, they're just giving us some other random point that's on that line. So we don't get to use like y equals 1 here, even though the y value of that is 1, because that's not the y-intercept. It's not 0, 1, it's 3, 1. So instead what you do is you say, well, x is 3 and y is 1, and I can use those values and replace them where I see y and x in the equation right here. So I replace y with 1 and x with 3. And then you solve that, you simplify it to find out what b is. Once you figure out what b is, then you can replace m with the slope that we are given and b with what you found to be the y-intercept. So you have to use that method to do number 12, 13, and 14 on this worksheet. So on number 12, we know, this is number 12, we know that y is equal to mx plus b. And then we read the problem 12 and see what we're given. Slope is 3. Well, that's m. So right away I can put 3 in for the slope. But I can't put anything in yet for b, because they don't tell us what the y-intercept is. They're only telling us that this point, 4, 6, is on the line. So 4, 6 is on the line, so I can use that to find b. And x is 4 and y is 6. So I replace y with 6, and I replace x with 4, and I use that point to find b. So 6 will be equal to 3 times 4 is 12 plus b, and then I can subtract 12 from both sides and figure out that b is equal to negative 6. Then I can write the equation for number 12. 12 is y equals mx plus b, but m is given as 3, and now I just found that y was equal to negative 6. 13, I'll start helping you solve that one, and then you can finish it. So in 13, we know that the slope is 1/2. That's given to us, so I can replace m with that. But I don't know b. They don't tell me b. They don't tell me the y-intercept. However, they do give me a point that's on the line that I can use to find the y-intercept. So I replace y with 8, and I replace x with negative 2. And then I would simplify this and solve 1/2 times negative 2 would be negative 1. And I finish solving that, and that will tell me what b is. So when I write my equation, I have to use the b that I just found, which you'll have to finish finding, and figure out what that is before you can put in your y-intercept. So you have to do a little work before you can find the y-intercept. And number 14 is going to be the same way. You're given the slope, you're given m, and you're given an x and y value that are on the line, but not b. You have to use that to find b. All right, so you need to finish number 13 and do number 14 on your own and see what you come up with. I hope that helps. Thank you.